Hello everyone, it's been a while. As you can tell by those two suitcases, I'm starting to pack everything I have here. Everything I own needs to go inside those. The thing is, I'm leaving for Vietnam. I'm leaving for Vietnam on Sunday, with Thursday now. So all of the things that I need for Vietnam need to go in here. All of the other stuff that I have needs to go in there. But I also have to keep some stuff for winter because when I come back here anyway, it's a bit of a mess. I don't know. I have no idea how I'm going to pack everything. It seems like when I look at all of the stuff I have, like how did it ever fit in there? I don't know. But yeah, that's what I have to do now. I already sent a few stuff back by mail because like books, stuff like that, because it was going to be really heavy otherwise in the suitcase. I think there's a few more stuff I'm going to send by mail to you. Some other books, some other stuff I have. So my suitcase is less heavy, and yeah, that's what I have to do today. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I also have like those things, you know, like those bags, and you put your clothes in it and you vacuum it, and it takes less space. Except I don't have a vacuum here, but one of my friends gave me like a hand pump. I don't know how it's going to fucking work. How it's going to work, but we'll see. No idea.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I think I finished kind of my suitcase for Vietnam. Wait, yeah, here. I finished all of my suitcase for Vietnam, all of my stuff I need here, except for like a few stuff that are being washed right now. Yeah, let's pack the big suitcase now. Okay, so the packing is going well. I have put almost all of my winter stuff in that thing. It's big like that now. It was more like that, so yeah, it really reduced the size of it. The hand pump is working really, really well. I'll show it to you again when I finish packing everything, so you can, yeah, I'll just show you.
Working hard. Why you look so excited?
Are you filming me?
You look so focused. Why are you making it dirty?
It's a big one. Hello everyone, I'm in Hanoi again at the airport. So this is the end of the Korean adventure. I took my plane this morning from Busan to here, and now have a layover, and I will take my other plane at night. My layover is 10 hours. So I have time. Let's say I have time until I take my plane. But what is good is that the girls, they gave me Indian snacks. So if I'm hungry, I can snack on that and have energy again. This is great. We are boarding right now. I think it's 11 something, 11:20. Finally going back to France after 1 year and a half. That's the plane for the next 13 hours. Wish me luck. Back to France, baby. I'm going to go and claim my luggage. Luckily, it's going to be here fast, and then I have to go take the train for 2 hours. So yeah, let's go. The journey is not over yet. My two suitcases are broken. The tiny one broken here, and the big one, like here, that's coming out. So it's really, really annoying, but I'm almost home.
well, home beyond sister's house. She's going to get me. I'm so looking forward to that shower I'm going to take, because it's been more than 30 hours since I've taken a shower and I've moved a lot.
I just arrived at my sister's place. She came pick me up at the train station that is like really close by her house. So yeah, and now she dropped me off, showed me a little bit stuff, because it's been a while since I've been here. And now she went back to work, so I'm alone at home. I'm going to go and take a shower because I really, really need it. Oh my gosh. And tonight is apparently waffle night. So we're going to eat savory waffle and sugary waffle. It's been so long since I've ate like waffle, like, you know, like thick one. It's going to be amazing. Love that. Love it. Hello. So after a nice weekend at my sister's place, it's time to move again. So now I have to actually get dressed and then put all of my stuff in the car. Oh, and remember I told you both of my suitcases are broken. So the big one is like, where is it? Yeah, here. Look. So there's that. It's really broken, and that too. And the little one is the handle that is broken, which, I mean, I'm not surprised. But then my sister gave me my present, my Christmas present that she couldn't give me because I was in Korea. It was dumb to just send it over there for me to just bring it back here. So she didn't send it to me and gave it to me when I arrived. And the best thing that they could have gave me, a bag. A nice bag. So it's the same size as this suitcase. I can put as much things inside. And it can turn into like just a suitcase that you hold or into a backpack. And you can add that to the front and add even more stuff inside. So it's really nice. I'm so happy. Like, it's the perfect timing. My suitcase breaking and them giving me that. Isn't it perfect? I absolutely love it. Let's go. Hello everyone. I'm back home, finally. Like real home, like parents' home. And I've been there for 2 days. Well, not even 2 days. 1 day and a half, let's say. 2 nights I spent there. We arrived late at night the first day and then spent the whole Sunday there. Went out a bit. It was really great. It was really nice. So I unpacked all of my suitcase, put everything everywhere in my room. I was like, it's never going to fit. I have so much clothes. I have to, yeah, anyway. And now today we're going to Spain to see my great uncle. And yeah, so I packed again like a little suitcase. So I think this is the end of the I'm coming back thingy. See you next time, probably in Spain. Tschüss.